Hey kids, JD here. Today, to get everybody ready for Easter, we are doing a real biker recipe. We're doing biker style leg of lamb. Now some of you, the less informed, may say, wait a minute, what the hell does any of that have to do with biking? Bikers as a whole tend to be a somewhat more religious group than some of the other self-identified groups. Why? If you'd ever been out there with all the Instagram thoughts on the road, on their phone, not paying attention to the road, you would understand exactly why whole swaths of them want God in their life. And if you've never seen the Instagram thoughts on the road, you are an Instagram thought. Sorry, gotta tell it how it is. So before we get started, go ahead, hit the subscribe button. Alright, so let's get started. So here are the directions, ingredient list below. Let's begin. Place leg of lamb in shallow roasting pan with a rack to keep the damn thing from sticking to the bottom. Literally what it says. Roast in 325 Freedom Unit oven for 25 minutes per pound or until meat thermometer reaches 140 for rare, 160 for medium, or 170 for well done. Meanwhile, combine mustard, salt, honey, and pepper. Blend well and use for basting several times during roasting. Do not salt any roast before cooking. Salt will draw moisture from the meat and make it taste like beef jerky. So I just used a smaller Pyrex dish and put everything in there at the same time, because I can't see that there's going to be that much of a practical difference. As long as it's cooked to a proper temperature, who really cares, right? Alright, that's it. Let's see how it turned out. Alright kids, as you can see, roast lamb, honey, mustard. Let's see how it turned out. Alright, smaller piece, let's do it. It's good. Moist. I don't even know that I hate the honey mustard that much, and I hate mustard. Let me go ahead, dip the other smaller piece into the mustard dip. Alright, so with the honey mustard dip, everything's good. It didn't dry out. Everything's excellent. This is also good for people who maybe aren't too big on the flavor of lamb. So if you're looking for a way to cook some lamb for this Easter, for your dinner, this is what you should do, 100%. And the other thing you should do 100% is go ahead, hit the subscribe button in the corner, leave a like. If you didn't like the video, go ahead, hit that dislike button twice to let me know exactly how much you hated it. Leave comments below. I'm JD, and I'm out.